everyone, we're here at Daytona for 2019. I like this style of racing. It's definitely tight, technical, which is, I would say, my style. Back on Yamaha now for 2019. My team made a decision that we wanted to get back on a bike that is still being made, updated, new equipment. The bike's handling great. Just happy to be back on a bike that handles really well and has a lot of power. That's what I lacked years ago was being down on power on a Yamaha, and that's why I switched. And I got to get a good start. I've been practicing a lot of starts. I haven't looked at the gate. I know it's going to be pretty interesting with the dirt bike ruts here because we're on the same day as the bike ruts, so that could make it a little interesting. A good start. I'm going to fight it all the way to the end. We got great weather. I got nothing to complain about. So as long as everything goes well, I'm looking to get on the podium.
We'll start the year off strong and try to keep it rolling throughout the year. But it's the first one, so it's always a little stressful, a little nerve-wracking. Everyone's on edge, but I'm really not this year, so that's different for me. Normally I'm stressed to the max and worried about everyone, but just focus on myself, and I'm here to do one thing, and I think I can do it. When you I felt really good today. My fitness was awesome. Everything was clicking. The bike was working great. Hole shots were key today, and that's I pulled 2 of them. So we're in the hunt now. I got that red plate back on the Honda. It's going to look great, and we'll see you at Texas.
I just had to ride really smart, and I rode smooth and rode really well in that main event. And I'm really proud of my fitness and everything with the bike. And man, we're gonna have a good season. It's gonna be an all-out brawl.
Ended up climbing a berm. I don't know. It was probably about 4 or 5 laps to go, and I gave up two positions, and ended up battling with Thomas for the last remainder of the race. I got the position back and I gave it back again, and we were going back and forth. So really exciting racing for that third spot, but man, you know, I did everything I could today. I tried to push myself, and you know, I ended up safe, so that's the key. And we're going to leave here third place overall and push on to Texas and head out to the great outdoors and see what we can do. And huge thanks to my team and everybody behind me, and good day here at Daytona.